Welcome back, YouTubers. This is Johnny. Kind of a gloomy day in cryptocurrency. All the charts are down. People are panic selling. Big whales are getting out. The market cap is going down. There's some FUD speculation, rumors floating around, as there always is. The big saying is, buy the rumor, sell the news. But this video is about TRON. I put a lot of money into TRON, not like a big whale, you know, so a few $1,000s is nowhere near to be able to manipulate the market. It has relatively no impact whatsoever. But I'm a big believer and supporter of TRON. I did take some profits when it was in the 20-cent range to purchase more TRON to make my position larger, because now we're hovering right around 8 cents. So without getting into some speculation as why the price is going down, let's first cover just the definitive evidence that we have, and that's the chart. So we see there's the huge volume of purchases going on at the beginning of January, and you know, TRON was breaking 5 cents, then as soon as it did that, it just jumped up, and I thought it was going to hit some support right around here, and it continued to dive off. You know, it jumped back up for a little bit, and then it started going off, and I just assumed that this was big money coming in here and selling off, making a profit, because there was everyone following behind as far as TRON, or Justin Sun, has been advertising quite a bit to pump up his baby. You know, just advertise, maybe not necessarily pump up. And so everyone behind him was following suit. You know, we were all purchasing more. I have some people that I know that bought in around 20 cents. Thought that was kind of high. Where you wanted to buy in was when it was right around 3 to 5 cents. But, you know, long-term hold, it can work out. So I thought it was going to hit some support levels, and it kept going down. And right now we're at 8 cents. And the reason I believe it's going down is just because everything's going down. Big money is moving out of the market, and people are taking profits. And what does that happen to do with us peons, simple folk, the average investor? Well, people get scared and they start selling off too. So these are all the weak hands that are selling off down here, where the big whales were taking profits. So I do have support levels at 7 cents. So I do think if TRON goes underneath 7 cents, it's going to find its resistance, you know, hit support right at 3 cents again. I do think it's going to go back up, and getting into some speculation of why TRON has been going down. So I did look at the chart, and the chart always gives you a definitive answer as to what the price action is. But as far as speculation, yes, could potentially be fear and uncertainty and doubt. There's been a big rumor going around that Justin Sun sold 6 billion TRX coins, and that spooked a lot of investors. So this could be also hindering as to why it went down. He has stated on his Twitter that he has not sold. Here, let me look. And saying that it was just one of a big investor that was part of the ICO that was selling out, taking profits on his coins, because it was literally about 10% of the market. So if 10% of TRON just moved out, well, of course the price is going to go down, and then it's going to have other people follow, because they're going to lose faith in Justin if it looks like he sold. This article is saying that he did not, and I believe Justin when he said that he did not, and he locked up his coins and smart contracts till 2020. I'm going to go with him, and I believe him when he says that. So I think it's just FUD that's been going around saying that he sold 6 billion coins, and he doesn't believe it anymore. Another reason as to why the price could be going down, as we've been having a lot of problems with Binance, Coinbase, Bittrex, a lot of major exchanges. Cryptopia has had it. Kraken's been having problems. Is just there's so many new users that want to get involved, but there's not enough hardware able to support the traffic. So people are unable to buy, and that could bring in some more FUD to people, to where they, once it opens up, they try to sell their coins. So that is potentially a possibility too. In other news, Justin has stated that he has released some applications for, where is it? Just stating that he's got numerous applications onto other exchanges. So if that happens, and when that does happen, well, there's going to be a new big influx of new money into TRON. So I'm waiting for that as well. My profits have gone from 1,500% to now I'm down to, I looked at my portfolio before I started this video, 266%. So I'm not in the negative right now. And for those of you that potentially could be in the negative, I do see this going up with them being put onto other exchanges. And he does state that don't worry about the whales manipulating the price. The things you have to remember is that TRON has a real use case. So in time, as people purchasing TRX to use within companies like Obike and other companies, you'll be seeing whales have less influence. So that is also true. And they just released another game, which are TRON dogs that you can buy for around 200 TRX coins. So that is actually something, because everyone's been giving TRON such a hard time, saying that it's got no product. It's just stating it's going to decentralize entertainment, and there's been nothing yet that has actually been put into motion. So it's just going to take time. They're updating their white paper, and I do see the market going back up, and I do see still TRON hitting $2 in 2018. So I'm just holding. This could be a potential good opportunity for those of you that bought in at 20 cents to kind of dollar cost average your coins and purchase some more. So anyway, guys, short video. This is Johnny signing off.